come in with lower back stiffness, sit straight. So from here, you can see that this side, it's more bulging. The erector spinae, the muscle here, is more prominent on the left side compared to the right side. So maybe if you go from the side, you can see this. Okay. And then the meter. Look at the meter. Okay, we have a break at the bottom here, so which tells me that that's some nerve pressure happening there, some temperature differences. Okay, now I will check the joint. You hug yourself. So feel for how stark is the joint. Tenderness here. Yeah, patient feels some tenderness here. And also the joint is more fixated on the left side. Okay. From the x-ray, we can see that the measurement here on the left side is 73 and on the right side it's 64. So this actually means that the bone, the triangular bone, the sacrum on the left side has gone backwards. When this happens, when it goes backwards, it will rotate everything from L5 and above, everything towards the right. So you can see here, all of the spinous process is rotated towards the right side, giving me another indication that I need to adjust the sacrum. Okay, and also when AS and IN is dominant, we are adjusting the sacrum instead of adjusting the ilium. Yeah. Okay, the PSIS, I'm gonna stay away from it. Roll it forward slightly. Okay, relax your shoulder. Okay, good. Come up slowly, step up on the side. Okay. Okay, and I feel come over here. Feel for the joint. And if you come closer, you can see that the musculature here has already immediately become more flattened. Try to look from the side. So this happened when you went into the car?
I guess so.
And
Yeah.
can you recall you get into the car with bending like this or neck
Bending
tilt?
like this. Like this.
Okay.
Tilt over here.
Yeah. I see.
No, I think. Yes, tilt over here. Yeah.
Okay. So remove your specs. Let's go to the front. Push this in, not much problem. Bit pain.
Yeah.
Okay. This direction. Okay.
No.
Can you look down a bit more? Good. Seems like you have two problems here, yeah? One at the higher up on the neck here, and then the other one at the middle of your back.
So all the pain I can feel is from the upper part.
Not at the middle here.
A bit only, but
Okay, mostly at the muscle here.
It's a muscle here, yeah.
Okay.
When I try to when my arm is, the movement is too big, okay. Sometimes when I try to do something from here,
Yeah.
okay. Or after I lie down, when I want to get up,
Yeah.
without support, I cannot get up at all. Yeah,
Okay.
I have to support. I use the strength from this group. My left arm for that.
Not much pain here.
No.
Okay, let's have you sit forward. Okay, now sit forward a little. Feet slightly forward. Okay. But I want your buttocks to close to the chair. Sit backwards a bit. Okay.
Pain. Pain.
That is very good. Let's have you bring his hand up. Okay. Sit forward a bit. Okay. Just relax. Yes, Tilt your head a bit more to this, to the right side.
To the right side. Yeah. And when I tilt, I can feel the pain. Okay, so this side.
Okay, sure. Let me tilt it.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Pain. And when I tilt like this, the pain is all over my neck area, not the shoulder anymore.
Okay. Are you okay in this position?
No, still in the pain.
Okay, bearable.
Can.
Okay, so now relax a bit.
Okay.
Okay, your chin slightly. So I'll put a pressure in this direction.
Okay.
Drop slightly your shoulder. Okay. Okay, I'll put a quick pressure in here. Okay. Now take a deep breath in.
Okay. Ready. Feel better.
Okay, now try not to twist it like this.
Okay.
You're able to bring it up more straight now, yeah? How's the pain here?
Better look.
Okay. That's all I'll be doing for you today.
Okay.
This is might not be fully corrected yet. I will still need to check this, and you will still have a problem at the bottom here. And
Okay.
this is like I call that half a setting. I'll still need a bit more depth here.
Okay.
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 So yeah, that's all for now. This line, when I bring it up, this C1 here is tilted high up here on the right side. Okay? And then you can see these two things here, the bone here. This one is wider, this one is narrower. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So when there is rotation, when this bone rotate backwards, it will make this look smaller.
Smaller.
So what you have here is this bone here tilt up on the right side like this, and then slip backwards. So what I did just now was to tilt your head to the right side, close the gap, and then bring it forward to take away the pressure on this side.
Okay.
So once the pressure is down, and then now you're able to
I
bring
can
your
tell.
head level.
I can tell,
with
but
it.
I still can feel a bit of pain, not like
just
before
now.
that.
Okay.
Not just now. It's totally when I I try to put in my head. The pain is it just make me want to stop.
It will still continue to settle down. Okay, but try definitely no cracking of your own neck for now.
Okay.
Okay, he will. How's your neck now?
还是有点痛。OK， 就是还是一样的动点轻伤这里。OK， 可是如果我 try to straighten 它 ，straighten 还是每次我治的时候还是会感觉到痛，可是没有像昨天来之前那么痛。那痛大概有减低了多少%呢？多过一半，少过一半？多过一半，就是因为我要 sustain 这样子都是可以的，只是差不多是5、6分钟这样子，后来我就开始歇回去。好的，谢谢。
下面这个上面跟下面哪一个比较好？现在你的头就这样子，有没有比较少一点？
这个感觉到比较。现在这里酸了。
OK， 好的。那现在痛的话呢，跟之前比大概有减低多少%？
减低我看有80%。
OK， 好，你往前坐一点。往前坐一点。Still have some pressure at the top here. This边会痛吗？
没有。
这样子会痛吗？
我感觉到这一里好像有拉到一点而已。OK， 不会很痛而已，不过好像有拉到的感觉。
Significantly tick more compared to previous visit. And then pressure. 深呼吸，呼气。这个位置，对，好，收起来。Yeah, you have Steven here, my good old friend.
Hello.
Okay.
我在这边会痛，这边会痛，然后有时候这边痛的时候是吗？在我之前在我之前来之前 ，before 我摔一跤，我其实已经有一点点痛了。我是这边痛，然后会带到有时候腿这边会拉到筋的感觉。
OK， 不是麻，只是麻手拉着那种
感觉是。
OK。
也是因为骨的关系。
因为通常骨移位了过后，这一些凸出来的地方都是肌肉连接的地方。当那个骨移位的时候，那一个你就想象橡皮筋连着这样子。当它往其中一个方向移位，那个橡皮筋就会被绷紧、被拉紧。
OK。
所以那个是一个症状，它不是肌肉本身的问题。
哦，我还以为只是肌肉罢了，所以我就是让它自然的痊愈的感觉。
然后会整天要 stretching 的感觉。
啊。
这 个跟这一个，中间的比较痛。OK， 好，我在你的 X-ray 那边再confirm一下，看你的 findings。
OK。来，我放视频来。我跟你讲啊，这就是我的腰骨，感觉歪歪有这个。
因为从这里看你的右脚会短，
我的右脚
一些。
就因为我平常站的姿势不对。
那个我要画了线过后，我算一下，看是因为移位而导致那个脚短，或者是本来是天生的有短脚在右手边。
我天生短脚。
其实很多人的脚都不是
平均一样长。
对。可以用5个 mm， 右边短了5个 mm。
可是你很神奇，上一次很久以前，我没有 X-ray， 你也可以帮我 fix 到那时候啦，可以帮我弄到比较舒服，没有那么痛那时候。
因为你有跌倒，我也要确保说那边没有骨折。哦。所以为了安全起见，
比较安全。
基本上你是有短脚，右边是短5个 mm。
5mm 听起来蛮多的。
但是身体本身它可以承受大概是6到7个 mm。
可是我是因为其中一只脚比较短的关系，然后才会每次臀部那边受伤。
也不尽然，因为有很多人之前还没有进来之前也是完全没有问题的，是弄到了过后照 X-ray 了才发觉脚有短。有一些甚至是我有看过9个到10个 mm 完全没有腰的问题的也有。
可能是运动。
现在这里从你的 X-ray 这里看，这里以前有一些骨折的现象。
对，以前有跟你说过，我有一段时间都赶在走路，因为那时候真的是很痛。有一段时间我1个月痛了1个月。那时候你还没有做医生呢，谁叫你那么迟
？So 它是这里有问题了，之前是 So probably 已经是复原了，所以问题不会导致。那从 X-ray 来看，基本上每一个的脊椎跟脊椎之间还有一个软骨组织，所以你这软骨组织应该是要这样子的状况。但是这一些全部呢都是后面关了起来，已经开始有退化的症状。OK， 所以如果是健康的话，它全部应该是这样子的。那你这边全部后面都是已经完全关掉了下来，已经严重的退化了。所以但是因为今天你进来的问题是，就是跌倒了，然后腰骨痛，所以我们会 focus 在这一个地方。你这个脊椎移位的时候，它第一个方向是往后面移。对。当它往后面移的时候，这个整个东西呢就会往下这样跌下来。当这个发生的时候呢，它的 wear and tear 它的受损的地方就是在后面会比较多，所以它后面就会越来越关起来。然后
它会影响我的站姿还是我的？
因为你往这样子，这个往后面叠的时候，你不可能这样子嘛。
对啊，
要往前。
所以我就这样子哦。
对，所以这边我们需要一些。
所以就是个问题。
但是不是今天？
所以就是个问题。
对。
我一直这样子。
今天我们要解决这里先。
对。
OK。好。
原来就是这个问题。
OK。
我像一个残废人士一样。
后面准备好。好。
对。
投资。躺在这个肩膀上面。肩膀进去。好，等下。啊，对。
你知道有时候我的一连咳嗽啊，我都会觉得痛，你知道吗？因为牵动到。
是啊。
我今天我热都喝掉了。
这里痛。
这左边有点更痛。这边。
过来。
看不到嘞。
你现在想拿一个 tripod 伸进去。
好。 放松就好啊。
好，我放松了。
放松，肩膀放松。
嚯
OK。
是好事情嘛，是好事情，但是也有吃
你也是要吃哦，可是你没有 judge 到 ，totally empty。
Very good. Relax your shoulder more. Relax your neck as well. Very good. Put the pressure in this way. Okay. Just relax. Very good.